Welcome back. It's been a long time. I have not put my face on this camera for you guys in a long time, and I apologize for that. It's been a busy year. 2020 is 2020, and that's probably relatable. So I haven't been in the shop much. I've done a couple onesie twosies things here just recently. If you haven't caught those, go back and check them out. And but I've got to clean the shop. It's an absolute wreck. And I need to go from top to bottom, side to side, clear off the shelves, get some organization going so I can get ready to start working this fall, however you want to say that. But my son and I are going to go ahead and tackle this, and I figured why not just bring you guys along and to show you a good time lapse of before, and more or less you're going to see before to after. So if you guys enjoy it, hit the thumbs up button, possibly think about subscribing. Well, let's get to work. We got a lot to do. So I've got a lot of trash in this corner, and I got a lot of pallet wood, trash, utilities, the shop vac, the leaf blower, stuff like that. I really want to try to get that organized to the point to where I can actually find everything. This is going to take a little bit, so stick with me, guys. By the time this is all done, this shop should be perfect. Well, close to perfect. It's never going to be perfect. I need a bigger shop for perfect. But stay tuned. Let's get to work. All right, for a time lapse, that still took me almost 30 minutes. It took you guys, I don't know, it might have been maybe a minute, probably less. But now this is the hard part. This is where I like to keep all my sandpaper, drills, drill batteries, some bits, chucks. So this is the hard part, is trying to get this as organized as possible and then actually allowing it to stay organized for more than an hour once I'm working in the shop. But it's got to be done. Here we go. I can't be the only one that has a stack of partially used sandpaper that they know that they can actually use on their lathe or a project, and they just don't know what to do with them. Thumbs up if you agree. Oh, this is going to take a while. Well, I guess for now, they're just going to have to go in a bag. And I'll have to make sure that I use these first. Comment down below if you can relate, and what do you use with all your unused, or partially used rather, sandpaper? I don't know what to do with it. Let me know. For now, they go there. So it's not exactly how I want it, but that's how it's going to have to go today. I got a lot more to do on the other side over here, and it's going to take me a lot more time. So I'm going to go ahead and start over there and just work my way around. I don't want to take too much time doing one simple project when I can clean the entire thing and then just kind of tidy it up afterwards. But on to the next bench. Sometimes the hardest part of having a shop like this is the dust. I can usually keep everything pretty well organized, but the dust is horrible. Okay, well, that's about it. Shop's clean, or cleaner than it was. Got a couple projects. We got some pallet wood murals that I've got to put borders on or frame in. Got a couple pieces of sycamore. A good friend of mine dropped off and said, hey, see if you can turn anything out of that. So that'll be in a project. Got some mystery wood. I picked this up at our local woodsmith store. And I don't have a clue what it is, but you guys are going to find out when I do, if I can figure it out. It's pretty heavy, so I don't think it's black wood, but I guess we'll find out. A couple smaller projects right there I've got to figure out, and I've got to fix a couple of birdhouses. So that's just some of the upcoming stuff, easy stuff. I like the pallet murals; those are a lot of fun. So if you guys have enjoyed any part of this, leave a thumbs up, only if you've enjoyed it. If you guys would like to see more of some of these projects coming up, go ahead and subscribe, leave a thumbs up as well. That's about it for me. Shop's clean, or cleaner than it was, and I am more than ready to head inside and relax and enjoy a beverage. So I appreciate you guys sticking around with me today. I'll see you guys next time.